just get the mild.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not mild.
Mild, okay.
Yeah. Okay. You can choose your bag. Miles making a comeback, baby. Comeback kid. You can do it. Mine's so spicy, way too single digits. Yeah. All the miles are making it quick. Like, we're gonna get too spicy later, but then I'm going for a mile. 15 cash.
I like the spicy, but she doesn't, so.
So you can always add, your spice. Okay, you know, that's a good fun.
That's true.
Yeah, happy wife, happy life, man. You know.
That's right. That's the motto.
In other words, if mama not happy, nobody happy.
No, yeah, that's right. You guys gotta go check out the tomato guy. If you go to one of the listed farmers markets that they're at, get the salsa, get their chips. You gotta try the chips. The chips are flaky and crisp, but they're not hard. They're so good. I never had chips like this before. This is like my favorite to go with the salsa. If you think you got chips at home that you can eat with the salsa, you could, but you gotta try these chips at least one time. This is so much better than those hard chips. They're made with fresh Camuela tomatoes, and you guys just gotta try it. Try this at least one time and you're gonna love it.